Our world, where resources are limited, but threats are not. Security is based on cooperation, and cooperation relies on flexibility. Saab has the proven ability to develop robust, high-technology security solutions integrating various technical systems to work fluidly together. Early on, we realized the value of flexibility and reusability to reach results and cost-effectiveness. Saab today offers solutions for efficient civil and military cooperation in a wide range of areas. For complex harbour situations and coastal waters, the MSV concept provides a brand new way of responding to today's asymmetric threats. A standard vessel is equipped with a state-of-the-art command and control system which enables full utilisation of information from all available sources. By adding the appropriate equipment and human resources, the vessel is optimised for the task at hand. The MSV can thus provide multi-purpose capabilities such as surveillance, disaster relief, mine warfare and direct threat encounter. A number of modules are available such as sea surveillance sensors and radar equipment, remotely operated underwater vehicles, missile systems, fire combating equipment, environmental threat handling and rescue equipment. The multiple-use capability offered by the MSV concept enables cooperation between decision-makers of different levels and organisations, civil as well as military. The MSV is proof of Saab's capability of developing new and innovative solutions, delivering flexibility, cooperation and security.